Good morning. Welcome to the next sum of 12th Commerce Accountancy. Same introduction lesson to first introduction of partnership, and we are on exercise question number 9. The question is Bhadresh and Hiral are partners of a firm. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2. Profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2. On 1/4/2016, total capital of partner was 4,20,000. So here total capital is given. We have to take out in the proportion of their fixed capital ratio is 4:3. So we have to divide 4,20,000 into 4,3. On this day, balance of the current account are as follows: Bhadresh 36,000 credit balance and Hiral 24,000 debit balance. As per partnership deed per annum, 12% interest is payable on capital of the partners, 10% interest on opening balance of current account, 12% interest is charged on drawing, and salary is given 2,400 per month as a salary are payable to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. On 1/10/2016, Bhadresh has withdrawn 36,000, and on 1/1/2017, Hiral has withdrawn 48,000. 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral. So 10% commission is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of his such share from net profit. Before consideration of the above adjustment, the profit of the year ending 31/3/2017 is 4,06,800. From the above information, we have to prepare P&L appropriation, partners capital and current account. So first of all, we will write the net profit. Net profit is given to us 4,06,800. So by net profit 4,06,800. Now you will see the next income is interest on drawing. Every time it is like that only. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग होती है दूसरी इनकम. तो ड्राइंग्स हम देखेंगे कि भद्रेश और हिरल की ड्राइंग्स क्या क्या थी वो हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. अगर हम देखें यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन जैसे दे रखी है, भद्रेश हैज विड्रॉन 36,000 on 1/10/2016. सो ऑन 1/10, so 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 36,000 for 3 months at drawings interest rate is 12%. So Bhadresh 36,000 12% for 3 months. So if we calculate, so 1,080 rupees to interest on drawing to Bhadresh is calculated. And next one is Hiral. So for Hiral has withdrawn on 1/1/2017 48,000. So 48,000 on 1/1/2017 means 1, 2, 3 for 3 months. So 48,000 for 3 months. For Hiral it will be 48,000 for 12% interest on drawing again for 3 months. So it is 1,440 rupees. So 1,440 rupees interest on drawing of Hiral. So the total will be 2,520 rupees total. 2,500 rupees 2,520 rupees total interest on drawing is there. Afterward we will see interest on capital. So to interest on capital, if we will see Bhadresh and Hiral. Now Bhadresh and Hiral has 4,20,000. First of all we will calculate 4,20,000. Total capital is there. 4,20,000 total capital is there. Out of that, Bhadresh and Hiral will get in the ratio 4:3 ratio. So 4,20,000, if we will divide it 4 by 7, and 4,20,000 into 3 by 7. So if we will calculate it, so interest on capital will divide it 4,20,000 and 4,20,000 into 4 by 7 and 4,20,000 into 3 by 7. So we'll get $2,40,000 for Bhadresh, and for Hiral $1,80,000 for Hiral. So Bhadresh has 2,40,000 capital and Hiral has 1,80,000 as their capital. So this is, we have taken out the from 4,20,000 total capital. The share Bhadresh has 2,40,000 capital introduced in the partnership, and Hiral introduced 1,80,000. Now from that, if we calculate the interest on capital, so what is the rate of interest on capital? Interest is payable on capital of the partner is 12%. So 12% interest is payable. So you will write 12 by 100. So what amount we will get? We will calculate 28,800 the capital, interest on capital for Bhadresh, 28,800, and the same is for Hiral, 1,80,000. So again we will calculate 1,80,000, 12%, 1,80,000, 12%. So 21,600 to Hiral. So total interest on capital is 50,400 interest on capital is there. Now we'll see the salary is given to Bhadresh also. So salary 2,400 per month. If we'll see 2,400 per month salary is given. So 2,400 into 12 if we do, then we get 2,400 into 12. So we get 28,800. So this is two salary is given, and this salary is given to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. So it is 28,800 rupees salary is given. 28,800 rupees is given to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. So it is Bhadresh. Then afterward we will see, as here also one thing remains, that we had seen interest on current account, opening balance of current account. So opening balance of current account, if you will see, Hiral has 24,000 rupees debit balance and Bhadresh has 36,000 rupees credit balance. So if you will see, first of all, Hiral 24,000 rupees debit balance and interest on partner's current account is at 10%, means it is 2400. So by interest on current account debit balance, that is of Hiral, if we will see 2,400 rupees. 2,400 rupees. Similarly here, to interest on current account credit balance. So here we will show it इनवर्स डेबिट बैलेंस जो है वो इनकम में जाएगा और क्रेडिट बैलेंस जो है वो एक्सपेंस में आएगा. तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस किसका है? भद्रेश का. और सिमिलरली उसका जो करंट अकाउंट का ओपनिंग बैलेंस है वो है 36,000. सो इसका मतलब 3600 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इनको ऑन डेबिट साइड. इसके अलावा हमने देखा दैट देयर इज सम कमीशन इज गिवन 10%. 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of his such share from net profit. So net profit जो आएगा उसमें से net profit जो है उसमें से कमीशन 10% मिल रहा है जो कि है Hiral को. So 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of his share from net profit. So we will calculate the commission जो हीरल को मिलने वाला है वो है नेट प्रॉफिट जो है हमारा 4,06,800. 4,06,800. यहाँ पे बोला गया है आफ्टर डिडक्शन ऑफ सच कमीशन. सो व्हाट द कमीशन इज सेट 10%. सो व्हाट विल डू 10 by 110 दिस वे. सो इट विल बी नाउ 4,06,800 divided by 11. So what we will get? Commission we have to calculate. Commission is 30,000. Commission to Hiral is 30,000 rupees. Now when we will total this side and we will deduct this side, we will get the divisible profit. So we will total 4,06,800 plus 2520 plus 2,400. So it will be 4,11,600 720. 4,11,720. When we will deduct from this, we will deduct all this, then we will get the divisible profit. So when we will calculate, we will get the divisible profit, that is so divisible profit is, we get 3 lakh, and this divisible profit will distribute in the ratio of 3:2. So in the ratio of 3:2, if we will distribute, the divisible profit we will get is Adresh 1,80,000 and Hiral 1,20,000. Okay, so this is the divisible profit. Now we will write the partner's capital here. Whatever the opening partner's capital is here, that we have to write. Partner's capital, as we had calculated earlier, 4,20,000. 4,20,000. So 3 by into 4 by 7. So it is 2,40,000. This is 2,40,000 to Adresh, that is by balance brought down on 1/4/2016, and the remaining of 4,20,000, 2,40,000 we get, so the remaining amount is 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 is the capital of Hiral. Now here nothing, no additional capital is there. So on 31st 3/2017, 31st/3/2017, the closing balance will be to balance brought down, that is similar, 2,40,000 and 1,80,000. Now we have current account. So current account balance, opening balance is there. Current account opening balance is 36,000 credit balance. So here we will write 36,000 credit balance by balance brought down. So for Bhadresh it is 36,000 credit balance, and for Hiral it is credit balance. So we have to write it on the debit side of the account. So we will write it by to balance brought down, and we will write 24,000 in Hiral's account. 24,000 in Hiral's account. Now whatever we had written here, interest on capital, salary, interest on current account, commission, that the debit side will come on the credit side. So we will write it like that. On 31st/3/2017, by interest on capital, so So we have calculated already 28,800, 28,800 and 21,600. 21,600 to year. After that, salary is given to Bhadresh. So 31st/3/2017 by salary is given to Bhadresh. So 28,800. Then afterward, commission is given to Hiral. 31st/3/2017 by commission is given to Hiral, that is 30,000. Commission is given to Hiral, that is 30,000. Then afterward, the current account, interest on current account, credit balance, that is interest on current account, credit balance, Bhadresh. So by interest on current account, that is of Bhadresh, that is 3,600. So all the things we have. Now afterward, last one is 31st/3/2017 by divisible profit 1,80,000 and 1,20,000. 1,80,000 and 1,20,000. When we will do total here, and then afterward we will deduct all these things what we have here. So on SBI withdrawn on different dates, Bhadresh withdrawn on 1/10/2016. Drawings. Drawings is 36,000 and the rest is 48,000. Hiral has withdrawn, and then afterward interest on drawing when we will calculate here and we will deduct it from this side, then we will get the balance, that is 2,39,040 and 9,95,760. So that is the sum for today. We will see next time. Thank you. ये तो इनकी खत्म हो गई.
हाँ हुआ.
So here we have written the current account opening balance of Hiral, that is debit balance 24,000. Then afterward drawings on 1/10/2016, Bhadresh 36,000 and drawing 1/1/2017, Hiral 48,000 rupees. Then afterward interest on drawings 1,080 Bhadresh and 1,440 Hiral. When we total here, Bhadresh total of current account credit balance is 2,48,400. Then afterward when we deduct it, 36,000 and 1,080 will get 2,39,040 rupees, that is closing capital of Bhadresh. And then afterward when we do total of Hiral 1,99,000 and we will deduct 24,000, 48,000 and 1,440 rupees, we will get 95,760 rupees, that is closing capital of Hiral. So that is the sum for today. Afterward we will see other sums in next lecture. Thank you.